Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on reordering the apps on your Fitbit Versa device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When your Fitbit is unlocked, you can view the apps installed by swiping from the right inwards. It's very easy to reorder apps and it's similar to a smartphone. Simply press down on the app until you feel a vibration. You can then drag the app to any position in the list of apps. Repeat this for every app you want to move, pressing down on an app until it vibrates and then moving it to your desired position. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Fitbit tips and tricks.